Welcome to our YouTube video on how to make someone fall in love with you. Love is a complex and beautiful emotion, and while we can't guarantee that these tips will make someone fall in love with you, they can certainly increase your chances of building a strong connection. In this video, we will explore some practical advice and psychological insights that may help you in your quest for love. So, let's get started. Number 1. Be yourself. The most important aspect of any relationship is authenticity. Be genuine and true to yourself. People are attracted to those who are comfortable in their own skin and who embrace their unique qualities. Don't try to be someone you're not just to impress someone else. Instead, focus on showcasing your true self and let your personality shine. Number 2. Show interest and listen. One of the key elements of building a connection with someone is showing genuine interest in their life. Take the time to listen actively when they speak, ask questions, and show empathy. This demonstrates that you value their thoughts and feelings, and it helps create a deeper emotional bond. Number 3. Practice good communication. Effective communication is vital in any relationship. Be clear and honest in expressing your thoughts and feelings, while also being a good listener. Avoid making assumptions and try to understand the other person's perspective. Open and respectful communication fosters trust and understanding, which are essential for a strong foundation. Number 4. Build emotional connection. Emotional connection is the cornerstone of a loving relationship. Share your own emotions and vulnerabilities, and encourage the other person to do the same. This creates a sense of intimacy and allows you to connect on a deeper level. Remember, emotional connection takes time and effort, so be patient and understanding. Number 5. Show kindness and support. Acts of kindness and support can go a long way in building a loving connection. Show genuine care and concern for the other person's well-being. Offer support during challenging times and celebrate their successes. Small gestures of kindness can make a big difference and help foster a loving bond. Number 6. Respect boundaries. Respecting personal boundaries is crucial in any relationship. Give the other person space and time to process their emotions and thoughts. Avoid pressuring them into anything they're not comfortable with. Respecting boundaries shows that you value their autonomy and builds trust. Number 7. Foster shared experiences. Creating shared experiences can help strengthen the bond between two people. Find common interests and engage in activities together. This could be anything from going on adventures, trying new hobbies, or simply spending quality time together. Shared experiences create lasting memories and deepen the connection. Number 8. Focus on self-improvement. Investing in your personal growth and self-improvement not only benefits you but also makes you more attractive to others. Take the time to develop your skills, pursue your passions, and work on becoming the best version of yourself. Confidence and self-assurance are attractive qualities that can draw others towards you. Number 9. Maintain a positive attitude. A positive attitude can be contagious and attractive. Approach life with optimism and a cheerful demeanor. Smile often, be supportive, and try to find the silver lining in challenging situations. Positivity creates a welcoming and uplifting environment that can help foster love and connection. Number 10. Practice empathy and understanding. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. Put yourself in their shoes and try to see things from their perspective. This helps build trust, strengthens emotional connection, and shows that you genuinely care about their well-being. Practice empathy and understanding in your interactions to create a loving and compassionate atmosphere. Number 11. Be patient. Love takes time to develop and grow. Avoid rushing the process or putting pressure on the other person to reciprocate your feelings. Allow the relationship to unfold naturally and give it the space it needs to flourish. Patience demonstrates your commitment and willingness to invest in a genuine connection. Number 12. Take care of yourself. Self-care is essential for your overall well-being and attractiveness. Prioritize your physical and mental health by engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. When you take care of yourself, you radiate confidence and positive energy, making you more appealing to others. Number 13. Be supportive of their goals and dreams. Supporting the other person's aspirations and dreams is a powerful way to show your love and commitment. Encourage them to pursue their goals, offer assistance when needed, and celebrate their achievements. Being a supportive partner creates a strong foundation for a loving and fulfilling relationship. Number 14. Practice forgiveness and letting go. No relationship is perfect, and conflicts are bound to arise. Learn to forgive and let go of past grievances. Holding on to grudges can hinder the growth of love and connection. Instead, communicate openly, address issues constructively, and work towards resolving conflicts with understanding and forgiveness. Number 15. Be honest and authentic. Honesty and authenticity are crucial for building trust and intimacy. Be open about your feelings, thoughts, and intentions. Avoid playing games or being manipulative. Genuine and transparent communication fosters a deep sense of trust and allows love to flourish naturally. Remember, love is a complex and unique experience for each individual. While these tips can provide guidance, it's important to respect the other person's feelings and choices. Focus on building a healthy and mutually fulfilling connection, and let love unfold naturally. Good luck on your journey to finding love.